If you're looking to get your next 50 Skool members by YouTube, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through actionable steps that can help you scale your membership with ease, and I'll also reveal an alternative to Skool that could help you reach that goal faster. Stick around to find out more. Let's get into it. First, YouTube is one of the most powerful platforms to promote your Skool community. The key is to use YouTube's features to guide your audience to become members, rather than just passive viewers. So, how can you leverage that? The first thing to consider is creating content that aligns with the type of community you're building in Skool. Don't just post random videos. Think about your target audience. What questions do they have? What problems can you solve? And how does your Skool community provide value? For example, if you're offering a coaching program or a mastermind, make sure your YouTube videos give a taste of the value inside your community. Show them why joining your Skool group is the logical next step. Next thing, focus on YouTube SEO. You've got to ensure your videos are discoverable. Optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags around keywords like Skool community, Skool members, and online course communities. The more relevant keywords you can add without overstuffing, the better your chances of appearing in search results. This drives organic traffic to your videos, which can convert into signups for your Skool group. The third thing is to always have a call to action in your videos. Don't leave your audience guessing. In your outro, mention exactly how they can join your Skool community. You can say something like, if you found this helpful, I invite you to join my community on Skool where we go deeper into this topic, and then provide a link in the description. Make sure to highlight your community's value, like exclusive resources, direct access to you, or special bonuses for members. The fourth thing, get social proof. Show potential members that your Skool community is active and valuable. Share success stories, testimonials, or behind the scenes of your group's activities. People love to see what they're getting into before committing, and social proof is a powerful motivator. Now, let's talk about video formats. You don't need to be an expert filmmaker to do this. Simple, to-the-point tutorial videos work great. Teach something valuable, and then transition into why they should join your Skool community for further access. Another great format is live streams. Interact directly with your audience and invite them to join your community while they're engaged in real time. Moving on, don't forget about the power of YouTube Shorts. With YouTube's algorithm pushing short-form content, this is an easy win for your Skool membership. You can create bite-sized content that gives value and drives traffic to your full-length videos and community. And now, a bonus tip. If you're already using Skool but want to hit that next milestone quickly, I'm going to mention a powerful alternative at the end of this video. So, make sure to keep watching. Finally, through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial for Skool. But I've also added some amazing alternatives that can actually help you achieve this goal faster, and they also offer free trials. These platforms cater to different community building needs and may give you more flexibility, depending on your specific goals. Through our link, you'll access the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. So, if you want to grow your Skool community to the next 50 members, consider these strategies, and don't forget to check out the options in the description to find the one that fits you best. Thanks for watching!